When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva nag recipes with me Chef Siva nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare steamed egg curry. This was a very simple recipe and at the same time it tastes delicious. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a pan and add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, add ginger garlic paste. Now add cinnamon sticks and cloves, bay leaf, chopped green chilies, chopped onions, once onion get translucent, add 1 cup of tomato puree. Add required amount of salt, red chili powder, garam masala, kasturi methi and coriander powder and give a quick mix. Now add little amount of water. Now add steamed egg pieces. For preparing the steamed egg, I gave a video link in the description. Now give a quick mix. Now cover with lid and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Add finely chopped coriander and switch off the flame. That's all, steamed egg curry was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare chickpeas coconut fry curry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva nag recipes and click on the bell icon.